Excellent, excellent. Happy to have you here today. Uh, I think we present ourselves, and maybe you can say some words about you that you know who we are, and if everything is accorded like that, then I think we can start with the last demo. So, my name is Florian. I hope you have seen me at the UTech panel talking about
Yeah.
AI. I'm president of Dynamic AI56. I'm responsible for business, marketing, operations. And my CEO, Roman, I think you can say some words about you.
Yeah. So, hello, I'm Roman. I'm doctor of computer science, living currently in Germany, and working with AI technologies last 5 years.
Great.
Yes.
Slu's professor of computer science, by the way, International University of Kiev. Just to mention this. Great, great. So, do you know what we do?
No.
Yeah, that's great. I always ask this first because I think it's important. Right? So I would start just with a short presentation of what we do, that you get an idea.
Yep.
So, what do we do? So what we do in general, I think it's very important. It's AI process automation. Yeah. There's a lot of business communication going on, like voice, email, Slack, Teams, Skype, WhatsApp. A lot of things which coming in from outside, from inside, from employees, from suppliers. There are companies like General Motors or BMW, or you have a voice assistant. All these things which are coming in, and this is still handled by people, operators, managers, and it's handled in customer care. It's handled in HR. It's handled in finance, in operation, in supply chain. And doing this is very simple. That we really can draft, automate this 85% and route the remaining 15 to 20%. So
Are you doing like RPA or robotic?
yeah.
Something like RPA similar, or is more than that?
We go through the whole value chain. RPAs like Blue Prism, UiPath, and Automation Anywhere, and all these guys. They always go for certain tasks like automating spreadsheets, or automating one single task in your CRM, for example. Yeah. We do it from the beginning on that we say, oh, hey, it's coming in your communication channel from wherever, from your employee, from your supplier, from your client, and then we start the whole process from there on. That we route it to the right people, like operator, manager, certain departments, or we can automatically draft it, yeah, and also do at the same time the automation in the backend, yeah, or trigger certain events if needed, yeah.
Yep.
Great. So we have two demos prepared. One is customer care by email for car rental on Gmail. We normally do this because people have rented once in their lifetime a car and know how it's working. And Gmail, it can be Outlook, it can be an IBM solution, it can be any enterprise solution, what you're using with a ticketing system. It really does not matter. It's just for presentation purposes.
So you should have your historical data behind that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So the system really made this similarity check within 22.8 seconds. And it got it right. So, hi, Florian, right after the accident, you should stop if you can, move your car, help, or get help, call 911, work with the police. Yeah. Of course, this is what we have trained it on, and can be also done by a bot provider. Yeah. But the most important thing is this similarity check. So the system, of course, has clustered, yeah, and made these categories, yeah, according to the content, yeah. So the system is really calculating the accuracy based on the real intent and also about the sentiment. Yeah, so this is very important.
But how you differentiate the wrong answer and right answer? There is also a lot of emails which is not right answer in it, and it's wrong answer in it even.
Roman, do you want or should I?
Basically, in this case, we have similarity engine, and we use this engine to compare answers and activity from operators. If operator have the same activity for different incoming messages, it means it's one category, more or less. But basically, categories we don't have. You see in this answer, we have order of more similar messages. Basically, this is approving we don't have categories.
How the system is judged if it is wrong or right answer?
If probability is small of answer what we're proposing, we get this to your operator. He want to approve. If we have big probability, for example, this example 70%, we monitoring what's making your client after answering. Basically, what probability you want we put from your side.
Depending on the also which data you collected before, yeah.
Yes, so you can control what probability for you important to your operators check these answers, what probability you trust. But in the any way we have in different system in social media we have likes or like this. In messages we have second question from a client where he not get it what's happened or we get it for him wrong answer. What's important after one mistake, system immediately will stop category, some separated category what automated and start checking what's happened wrong. So basically, it's not coming in way where you have 10% of mistake and you want to call us to stop and make some changes. After one mistake, system redesign understanding of this category immediately. And after 3-5 messages, system catch what's happened wrong and how to fix this.
Is that you using some existing algorithms, or is that you developed your own?
We have the two big part of system. First part it's NLP stacks. We're using competition of several NLP stacks integrated in system. And second, we have our patented technology, what's called genetic coding. It's approach who writing algorithms based on NLP stacks. And he writing it's how NLP guys do this. So basically, we automated position of NLP people who all time analyzing your
just a moment. What you are automatizing?
We are automating NLP position in AI company. NLP it's natural language processing people who working with this data, who using NLP stacks for analyze data and make decisions or like this. Normally in companies we have people who do this, employees. In our company we have engine who do this.
Okay.
And basically, it's most expensive part for AI automation for language in other companies.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Flo, please continue. Sorry.
Is this analysis if you do whole company's email, or you can limit some of the areas you want to or whose emails, and how is the with the PI?
We can put this data to AI system, and system will try separate to categories and select what system understand, what not understand. After this, we going with NLP guys and we checking where we have good accuracy, what we can automate immediately now. This we select in beginning. All other parts, some other parts we select to automate in draft side, and other we will do with NLP guys if something really wrong and system don't understand. What's important after we preparing your data, some parts of what we possible to automate, system selects from automatically. So you don't want to say it what you want to automate. If you have data after analysis, we say it for you what's possible to automate, and after we discuss what you want to automate. But what's possible, we will automate immediately. Yeah.
Okay, so you if you use that, it is you are doing the license basis, or how are you doing?
We set up this system. We set up the system in cloud or in promise, and you paying if it's cloud half to cloud and part to us. If it's promise, you paying to us from processing.
I don't understand it.
Well, I think this you can describe
Yeah,
better.
normally we provide to our customers a pay per use. So when they use it, they pay. If they don't use it, they don't pay. This is our business model.
Yeah, the running time of this.
Yeah.
And do you have also in the manufacturing area, in the operator communication, those things? That doesn't matter. It's pending all only on your input data.
It's depending to input data. If you have absolutely specific situation where you're using specific phrases or like this, in this way we retrain brain for understand your language. Basically, if it's a cheap way, we're proposing to use our general brain for understanding. It's what we currently showed. If you have a big case and you have specific slang, what's absolutely possible and normal, we can retrain similarity understanding, and after this we can make automation. For train similarity understanding, we need your traffic for show the system.
Okay.
So when the system is set up, yeah, in the first, I don't know, 4 to 6 weeks, yeah, it's your AI because it's working with your data. It's working according to your policies, yeah, which I want to show you afterwards if you have 5 to 10 minutes more. I don't know. That you see the whole process automated, and the data is where you want to have the data. It's on your servers, or it's in your cloud, or it's in the cloud you wish where it should be, because the system, the AI, it's our algorithms. Yeah. So for us, it's very independent. We work with Salesforce, with SAP, with Microsoft Dynamics, Avaya, Genesis, all the systems which are in place. Everywhere where you have an API, we can get in. And of course, we use your policies, your IT security, your data protection things, and also how you deal with the customers, what questions you ask, and connect it with other data services if needed. Yeah? I send you something in the course of this week, and then look through, and then let me know if this helps or it does not help. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Thank you very much. Very interesting.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
You too.
Have a great week. Bye.